Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy October finally. This is like my favorite time of year where I get to kind of be more creative with my looks and do more Halloween special effects, which we don't get to do every day, but we get to do in the month of October, so I'm super excited for that. So this is gonna be my first Halloween look. It was inspired by the brow of Chucky. But you guys can see, I watched the movie twice already. I didn't know what kind of look I wanted to do because you can go with this in so many different routes, but this is the look that I wanted to do and how it came out. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to start by using this e.l.f. BB cream. It's more like a lightweight foundation and it's a little bit lighter, so that's why I chose to do this, just because I wanted to kind of make the Chucky bride, or girlfriend I should say, I wanted her to be a little bit pale. So the makeup, the eye makeup and everything else will stand out a little bit more. I'm using the brush from Real Techniques like always. And then for my brows I decided to use a Bobbi Brown gel liner in Caviar. This is more of like a brownish black. From watching the movie, she has her brows super kind of like a chola look, I would say. More of like not really perfect, but like very thin. So I did go back and kind of just clean up a little bit of the brows to make them look like that. And I use this concealer by Juvia's Place. This concealer is actually pretty good. I've been loving it lately. And they don't go by name, they actually go by number. So I'm using the color 19. I feel like this concealer is more of either you get a warm or you get more like a pink tone. And the one that I got, I feel like it has a little bit of a pink tone in it. I did get another one, but I forgot the color. I think it was either 16 or 17. And that one is a little bit more on the yellow side. So then after that, I'm starting to use my Jacklyn Hill palette. And I'm starting with this red color all over my crease, because I'm working with darker colors in my lips. I wanted to stand out, and I just wanted it as a transition color. And then I'm using my P. Louise base, and I'm cutting that crease to make the illusion that my lid is bigger, like always. And I'm always using a flat brush just to make it easier when I actually do the crease to be bigger. It just makes it look neater too. And then I'm using my Mario Master Matte palette, and I'm just going with that black color all over. And I'm still using the same brush that I was using to create the crease, and I'm just patting it. So after that, I go with the blending brush and I just start blending everything so it kind of goes all together. Again, all the brushes that I use are from Morphe. They're really good, they're very affordable, and they're really good quality. And then I'm going back to use my my Juvia's Place concealer in the color 19 that I was using for my brows. And going back with my Real Techniques brush just to pat everything together. So I didn't really do a lot with my under eye just because I have to smudge the shadow like underneath the lash line to make it more dramatic like our character in the movie. So I try to make it a little bit not too perfect. And I'm using my e.l.f. Beauty Blender just to make everything look perfect. And then I'm using my Huda Beauty Tantour Bronze Cream bronzer or cream I should say. And I'm using a small brush just because I'm trying to define certain areas from the character. Especially like the cheek area. And then I went back with the same brush that I used for foundation just to blend everything together. I didn't want it to be so dramatic just because I do have to set it with setting powder. But I did want the cheeks to stand out just like Tiffany in her movie with Chucky. And then after that, again, I'm patting certain areas. And the translucent powder that I've been using lately has been Maybelline. It's really good, and it's more of like a yellow finish to it. Yeah, so it's the Maybelline Fit Me Fair Light in 10. I love it. It doesn't give me a flashback, and it gets the job done. So then I'm using again my Estee Lauder bronzer in Deep just to warm up the face, and I did focus more that bronzer in my cheek area just because of the way that I did my cream contour. And then I'm going back and using my Urban Decay black eyeliner in, I believe it's in 0, because they have two different ones. There's one version that's more matte, and then another one that's 0 that's a little more glossy, and I wanted to stand out, so I chose to do this one. And then I'm going back to the Jacklyn Hill palette, and I'm using that red that I used all over my crease to make it pop and stand out. And yeah, this is like the second time I'm using blush in a video. So I'm using one of Elle's blush kit because she does have blush. And then I'm also contouring my nose a little as well, and contouring a little bit in the mouth area. And then I'm using that same Urban Decay black eyeliner, can't even talk today, all over my lips. And just bringing it out just a little. And I did use liquid eyeliner as well, but then I kind of fixed it because it was becoming way too much. And then after that, I just did it all over my lips. I just had to put that black eyeliner. And then after that, I went to use this lip color by Colourpop and Iluvsarahii. And then this color is called Mamacita. This is more like a vampy look. Vampy lip, I should say. But yeah, and then after that, I did a little more blush. And then I did the Amrezy highlighter to give her a little bit of, a little bit something. She needed something, a little highlight. And then I also did it in my nose and in my inner corners of my eyes. And then after that, of course, she has a beauty mark, so I have to put that to make the look stand out as well. And I did fix the lips a little bit because I feel like they were looking a little crooked around the areas, all that good stuff. And then the best part of this video is me putting a blonde wig on. My hair looks crazy, don't mind me. So I didn't really wrap my hair around. I just put it in a ponytail, low ponytail, before I put the wig on. It was a struggle, to be honest with you guys. Yeah. And then also I kind of did an epic fail because I was supposed to put the tattoo of the Chucky's name the opposite way, and I didn't realize because I was just trying to finish at this point, and yeah, we kind of messed up there, but it is what it is. At least we have it on. So after that, I did paint it with like the same lipstick that I have on, the little heart, little detail of the tattoo. And then this is the part where we're struggling. So this wig, I think I got it in this beauty supply store where they sell wigs. I try to also like part it a certain way, and I sprayed this Joico Tint Shot Dark Brown, so it's like a root concealer for the hair, and then I brushed it down a little bit after
This
I
is the
was done
final look,
spraying
guys.
it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and recreate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.